Why most businesses fail within their first year. Starting a new business can feel like embarking on an exciting adventure, but the reality is that many entrepreneurs face significant hurdles right from the get-go. In fact, statistics show that nearly 20% of new businesses fail within their first year. So, what's behind this staggering number? New businesses encounter a myriad of challenges, from securing adequate funding to navigating the complexities of market competition. Many entrepreneurs underestimate the importance of a solid business plan, while others struggle with cash flow management or fail to identify their target audience effectively. Additionally, the emotional roller coaster of entrepreneurship can lead to burnout, causing even the most passionate founders to throw in the towel. In today's video, we'll dive deep into these challenges and explore the common pitfalls that lead to early business failures. Our goal is to equip you with the knowledge and insights needed to avoid these traps. Understanding why businesses fail is crucial, not just for aspiring entrepreneurs, but for anyone looking to improve their chances of success in the competitive landscape. So, whether you're a budding entrepreneur or simply curious about the business world, stick around. We'll break down these reasons in an engaging and informative way, providing you with actionable tips to help you thrive in your entrepreneurial journey. Let's get started and turn those statistics around. Lack of market research, the key to business success. Conducting thorough market research is one of the most critical steps before launching a business. Understanding customer needs and preferences can significantly shape your business strategies, ensuring that you're not just offering a product or service, but one that resonates with your target audience. When you know what your customers want, you can tailor your offerings, marketing messages, and even pricing strategies to meet those needs effectively. Take, for example, the case of Blockbuster. Once a giant in the video rental industry, Blockbuster failed to recognize the shift in consumer behavior towards digital streaming. Their lack of market analysis led to their downfall, as they underestimated the competition posed by Netflix, which was quick to adapt to changing customer preferences. Similarly, the startup Quibi, which aimed to deliver short-form video content, collapsed within months due to a failure to understand its target demographic and the competitive landscape. Identifying your target demographics is crucial. Who are your ideal customers? What are their pain points? By answering these questions, you can create a product that truly meets their needs. Additionally, understanding your competition allows you to differentiate your business and find your unique selling proposition. In summary, neglecting market research can lead to costly mistakes and missed opportunities. By investing time in understanding your audience and the competitive landscape, you set the foundation for a successful business that can adapt and thrive in a dynamic market. Don't skip this vital step. Your future success depends on it. Insufficient capital, the lifeblood of business sustainability. When it comes to launching a new business, having sufficient capital is crucial for survival and growth. Financial resources play a pivotal role in sustaining operations, covering initial expenses, and navigating unforeseen challenges. Unfortunately, many entrepreneurs underestimate the amount of funding required, leading to common financial pitfalls that can ultimately result in failure. One major pitfall is the lack of a comprehensive budget. Without a clear financial plan, businesses may overspend on unnecessary expenses or fail to allocate funds for essential areas like marketing, inventory, or employee salaries. For instance, the popular restaurant chain, Sweetgreen, faced significant struggles in its early days due to cash flow issues. Despite a strong concept, they expanded too quickly without securing adequate funding, leading to operational challenges that nearly derailed their success. Another example is the tech startup, Theranos, which raised hundreds of millions in funding but ultimately collapsed due to a lack of transparency and financial mismanagement. Their inability to maintain proper financial oversight and planning led to a catastrophic downfall, highlighting the importance of sound financial practices. Budgeting and financial planning are not just about tracking expenses. They are about forecasting future needs and ensuring that your business can weather storms. By understanding your financial landscape, you can make informed decisions that promote sustainability and growth. In conclusion, insufficient capital can cripple even the most promising ventures. By prioritizing financial resources and planning, entrepreneurs can avoid common pitfalls and set their businesses on a path to success. Remember, a well-funded business is a thriving business. Poor business planning, The blueprint for success. A solid business plan is the backbone of any successful venture. It serves as a roadmap, guiding decision-making and strategy while providing a clear vision for the future. Without a well-structured plan, entrepreneurs often find themselves navigating through uncertainty, making reactive decisions rather than proactive ones. This lack of direction can lead to missed opportunities and costly mistakes. One of the most significant consequences of failing to set clear goals and objectives is the inability to measure progress. Without defined milestones, it becomes challenging to assess whether your business is on track or if adjustments are needed. For instance, a startup that launches without a clear understanding of its target market may waste resources on ineffective marketing strategies, ultimately leading to financial strain and potential failure. On the other hand, businesses that prioritize effective planning often thrive. Take Airbnb, for example. In its early days, the founders meticulously crafted a business plan that outlined their vision, target audience, and growth strategies. This thorough planning allowed them to adapt quickly to market demands and scale their operations successfully. Similarly, Starbucks has consistently relied on detailed business planning to expand its brand globally while maintaining a strong focus on customer experience. In summary, poor business planning can have dire consequences, leaving entrepreneurs vulnerable to the unpredictable nature of the market. By investing time in creating a comprehensive business plan, you not only set clear goals but also establish a framework for making informed decisions that drive success. Remember, a well-thought-out plan is essential for turning your entrepreneurial dreams into reality. Inadequate marketing strategies. The key to customer attraction. In today's competitive landscape, effective marketing is essential for attracting customers and driving sales. Without a solid marketing strategy, even the best products can go unnoticed, leading to low visibility and disappointing revenue. Poor marketing can result in missed opportunities to connect with potential customers, ultimately jeopardizing the success of a business. For instance, a startup that relies solely on word of mouth may struggle to gain traction in a crowded market. Without a clear marketing plan, they may fail to reach their target audience, leading to stagnant sales and a lack of brand recognition. This is a common pitfall for many new businesses, as they underestimate the power of strategic marketing. On the flip side, thriving businesses often employ successful marketing tactics that set them apart. Take Nike, for example. Their innovative use of social media and influencer partnerships has allowed them to create a powerful brand presence and engage with customers on a personal level. Similarly, Dollar Shave Club disrupted the shaving industry with a clever viral marketing campaign that resonated with consumers, leading to rapid growth and brand loyalty. Moreover, the need for continuous marketing evaluation and adaptation cannot be overstated. The market is constantly evolving, and what works today may not work tomorrow. Regularly assessing your marketing strategies allows you to pivot and refine your approach, ensuring that you stay relevant and effectively reach your audience. Inadequate marketing strategies can severely hinder a business's potential. By prioritizing effective marketing and remaining adaptable, you can attract customers and pave the way for long-term success. Remember, your marketing efforts are the bridge between your product and your audience. Understanding business failures in the first year. As we wrap up our discussion on why many businesses fail within their first year, it's essential to reiterate the key reasons that often lead to these unfortunate outcomes. We explored how inadequate market research can leave entrepreneurs blind to customer needs, while insufficient capital can cripple operations before they even begin. We also highlighted the dangers of poor business planning, which can result in a lack of direction and missed opportunities. Lastly, we discussed how ineffective marketing strategies can lead to low visibility and ultimately, disappointing sales. Understanding these pitfalls is crucial for anyone looking to embark on their entrepreneurial journey. By applying these insights to your own business ventures, you can proactively address these challenges and set yourself up for success. Remember, thorough market research, solid financial planning, clear goal setting, and effective marketing are all vital components of a thriving business. If you found this video helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on entrepreneurship and business strategies. Don't forget to like and share this video with fellow aspiring entrepreneurs who could benefit from these insights. Together, we can create a community of informed business owners ready to tackle the challenges of the marketplace. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.